This is going to be a self-myofascial release series. Now we're going to go over how to do self-myofascial release for your peroneals or your fibularis, which is the side right here on your lower leg.
Alright, so what Kay's going to do, again, you can use a step or a bench and use a ball, and she's just going to cross her leg over with her awesome mobility.
I need to do this more, okay?
And so she's going to place that ball right on the side of her, kind of think between your calf and your shin. And you're going to feel that muscle, and then she's just going to slide back and forth, just like so. And then
you'll be able to tell, like, you can feel it for sure.
Exactly. Yeah, you could feel, and you want to focus on those areas that feel a little more tender. Don't pay too much attention. It feels pretty good in those spots. And then you can incorporate some ankle circles or foot circles. And if you want to go totally crazy, you could put a little more pressure. So what Kitty can do is she could take her right arm or right forearm or opposite hand and just exactly press in there and kind of smash that tissue, involve some movement.
Yeah. So basically you're using the ball as pressure underneath the muscle you're moving?
Right. Yeah. So the ball is just...
So you're moving the muscle around the pressure.
Right. Yeah. It's like the ball is like someone's thumb and you're just gliding that tissue over that pressure. And that's a really good movement, especially if you have flat feet. People with bad ankle mobility or poor ankle mobility have flat feet. And that's one of the muscles that tend to be tight or locked in a shortened position.
Yeah, ankle mobility is huge for improving your squats too.
Exactly.
So, all right. You can find all of the videos in this series in my playlist, and all the information is going to be below about Chris and everything he does and the series itself. So I hope you enjoy, and we will see you in the videos.